Hello everybody. I got this floor lamp and I have to put it together. So what I'm going to do is get the instructions in here. I'm not good with putting stuff together. If I put it together, I may have to do it off camera. Let's see. But I will show you the finished result. So it's not really giving me too much information about the brand or anything. Online it's called Modern Floor Lamp. That's just what it's called. And it's supposed to be like a simple design, which is good. It has a white shade. I have the one in beige and gold. So here are the pieces to put it together. It doesn't look like it's that hard. Let me see here. And here is the lamp. Here is the shade to it, okay? So I'm going to take that shade out first. You know, when I get stuff in and I have to put it together, I start getting nervous right away. This looks like it may be easy. It may be easy. Yeah. Okay. And it has these little clips on it. Let me see. Oh, falling all over the place. Hope you guys are having a good day. I'm in Jersey. It's warming up a little. Today is in the 50s. That's good. So let's see what's going on here. Let's see the base. Where's the base of the thing at? Okay, here it is. That's it right there. Ooh, this base is heavy. This lamp is very inexpensive. That's the base. Ooh, I can exercise with this, right? Build up these arms, right? Okay, so let's see what's to do here. This is the cord. Yeah, so I got this lamp because a part of my living room, even though I have lamps, it's like a dark corner. I don't understand why it's like that. Well, for one thing, they should have put a ceiling light down that end. They got one right here, but it should have been, further down. What's this? Oh, it has a little floor foot thing that you can turn it on and off. That is so good. That is so good. Not that I'm lazy like that. Yeah, I can't turn off a lamp, but to make things easier, it's good. I hope it doesn't take me that long to do this. I don't think so, no. What is going on with this thing? What is going on with this thing? Yeah, so it was so inexpensive, I was saying. Let us see. So I'm going to come back because I don't want to waste my battery. I'm going to come back and I'll still be trying to probably put this together. Or I may come with the finished result, okay? But it's a nice color, right? It's a nice gold, so I'll be back. Putting it together is so easy. You just got to twist these together. And that's just about it. I got to put that shade thing on. I got to screw it to the base there. These lamps come in a lot of different colors. They happen in the silver color. I think I saw a black one, the all black one. They have different colors, so you don't have to just get the gold one. Yep. I was dreading this, y'all. I don't feel like doing this, and there's nothing to it. I'm so glad they're making things easier. I had a love seat, well, I still have it, that I had to put together some years ago. And I was like, this is not going to work. And I started doing it. It was so easy. So easy. Everything used to be so complicated, and now things are easier. I used to say, I ain't never buying stuff that I had to put together. Okay, so there was that step thing there. Let's see. Put the base on. Again, this is very heavy. I just got to screw that on. The good thing about this, if I have to move, I can just unscrew it. I could take it, just with all the pieces together, but if you want to, you can just unscrew it and put it in a box. Okay, I got that. There is the base, y'all. Yeah, right there. You see that? Do you see that? So I'm going to put that on the floor. Tighten this up some. Oh, that needs to be tightened. That right there needs to be tightened up. They gotta be tightened up, y'all. Seems like some things are trying to loosen up here. Oh, I didn't do this part. I didn't do that correctly. I hope I had the right light bulb. But if I don't, I have one light bulb. I don't know how bright it is, but just so you can see how this thing looks is what it's going to be used for. Okay. Use this thing with the paper. Okay, let's see what's going on here. What's going on here? Why is that? Why is there two of them? I have no idea. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I don't know why it's two rings together. Why is it like that? No, 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 and no. That's a no. That is a no. How am I gonna do this? Get right to the end and it starts to act up? Wait a minute. Okay, let me try it this way. Is it supposed to go that way? Why is it looking like that? Okay, I put that little thing up there. All right, let's get this together. Where does that little ring thing go? Let's see. I don't know about that ring thing. Where's this supposed to go? I'm talking about this, but let me get this here together. Snap into place of it. Yeah. You hear that snap? Yeah. Yes. All right. Okay. Let's see. You got rings down there too. Okay, that's looking kind of legit, right? Is it looking legit? Is it looking legit? Or is it looking bootleg? Okay. I don't want nothing looking bootleg, okay? Okay. That is my wonderful floor lamp. It was easy to put together. I'm gonna have to change the bulb because it doesn't match the bulbs in this living room for my lamp, so I'm gonna have to change it up. But yes, I like this lamp a lot. Now it's very, very inexpensive. I'm not gonna tell you the price because prices go up and down. See there? My wonderful mom brought me this lamp. Oh, it's cute. I need to tighten it up a little more. And let me show you. Step down on this thing here. See there? That is so easy. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so I am trying to get my apartment together. I've been here almost a year. In May, it's going to be a year. So things are coming along. Okay, so have a wonderful, wonderful day.